Welcome to Daily English Sentences. Here are today's sentences. Listen carefully and practice daily to improve your English fluency.
Topic: use word on.
The book is on the table. The book is on the table. He is on the phone right now. He is on the phone right now. Don't sit on the floor. Don't sit on the floor. We will meet on Monday. We will meet on Monday. He put his hat on his head before leaving. He put his hat on his head before leaving.
Practice these short sentences every day, step by step. Your English speaking will become more natural and confident. See you in the next session. Thank you. Subscribe my channel.